Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Wall Street Scalper for MetaTrader 5, and it's a buy only scalping robot built specifically for the US30 index on the 15-minute time frame, and sellers claim it's powered by AI and can deliver massive growth on the Wall Street 30. But I ran a full backtest, so let's see if it actually holds up or if it's another overhyped index scalper. Now, before we dive into today's expert advice, so we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now let's get started. According to the MQL5 page and their signals, this is a new generation scalping robot using artificial intelligence for the popular US30 index. The idea is short-term scalps on the 15-minute time frame, catching quick moves in the door. They emphasize it's fully optimized and ready to go. Just drop it on the US30 on the 15-minute chart and it's ready. You have it on your chart working for you. The strategy focuses on scalping rather than holding long trades, and it mentions months of testing on real and demo accounts with different profit to risk ratios. Key claims include solid performance on investment accounts, and they warn that with high profit risk settings you can see drawdowns up to 30%. Yeah, they do want that, so we have to give them credit for that. This is it here. And from the signals and descriptions, it shows impressive equity curves. We have this here, and one highlighted run goes from 1k to over a million since 2024, and they stress using a low spread broker and testing on demo for 12 weeks. Overall, the marketing positions it as a reliable AI enhanced tool for Wall Street volatility. These are the numbers they show. They actually have a signal on my FX book, and getting to my FX book, we can't really see the Wall Street Scalper MT5 here. So I have the index scalper pro, but there is no Wall Street Scalper, so the signal doesn't exist on the my FX book. But leaving that, let's talk about the features and settings that are marketed by the developer. Settings wise, you've got trade direction locked to buy only, and lot types include fixed or auto based on profit risk ratio and balance steps. Fixed take profits and stop loss levels. We also have max orders at once, max spread protection so it skips bad conditions. We also have news filters and daytime settings and filters. All of these help to make the expert advisor efficient in its dealings. Now let's talk about my backtest, because I ran a backtest on a $10,000 account on US30 actually. Now let's select that. Talking about the Wall Street Scalper, and I ran it on US30 on the 15-minute time frame, and we have our results here. This is what the chart looked like, and inputs, the main inputs that matter are the 750 TP, we have the 2450 SL, and there's also the balance step, there's the spread protection and disabled grid function, which actually mattered here. There's no dangerous averaging going on, and the equity curve looked like a nice steady upward grind with some visible dips along the way, but nothing that blew out the account. Max equity drawdown stayed around 14 to 15%, and we ended up with about 5,600 profit, US dollar profit, roughly 56% gain on the account. Profit factor sat at 1.42, win rate of 85% across 434 trades almost all long positions. You can see that no short trades were taken, just long trades, and we had 85% win rate. And these are some of the trades it took. You can see some buy positions here, buy positions, and this is exactly what it does. Nothing much. And in practice, this means the US30 scalpers live and die by execution quality, meaning that it performs well on low spread brokers like IC markets and some other low spread brokers, but slippage, requotes, or news events can eat into backtest and live signal results fast. So you should be careful about the spreads and slippage and choose brokers that are worth trading on, who have low spreads. Now, it shines in strong trending markets but can get chopped up in ranging or bearish phases since it's buy only. And no martingale is a solid safety feature though. Everything is here, you can fix it. The filters are all here, even the GMT settings, everything is here, can be adjusted based on your preferences. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a decent specialized tool for US30 if you test it thoroughly and keep settings conservative and monitor also during volatile sessions. It's great for experienced prop traders comfortable with index settings, but avoid it if you're new, you want to set and forget multi-pair expert advisor, or you can't handle occasional drawdowns and spread dependency. Yeah, now that is all for the Wall Street Scalper for MetaTrader 5 by Evgeny Aksenov. Now, like the video if this real test helped you out, and subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor should I test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.